So on today's video, you guys have already saw the thumbnail. You guys now get the picture that I'm just gonna break down to you guys how Q1 played out and what we might look to expect moving forward on Q2 based on the bullish strength that price has printed out and is currently holding. But before we get ahead on the video, 80% of you guys who are watching our YouTube channel have not yet subscribed. And if I'm adding any value in your trading journey or just in your knowledge, what I ask of you is to just subscribe to the channel, like on the videos, share the videos, leave a comment on the video, click that link to sign up with the broker that I trade with and highly recommend. And for the most part of it, we have opened up our second channel that's only based on crypto, so you can just hit that link, subscribe to our second channel so we can reach our target that we're aiming for, which is currently 10K. And lastly, 3-day mentorship course is currently open. Link in description. Choose the course that you prefer and choose the venue so I can come to you for 3 days and change your trading for the good and the better. But like I've just said, let me break down to you guys how Q1 is played out and what we might look to expect moving forward on Q2. And as I've already stated to you guys, that our structure on NASDAQ is just strongly bullish. Right, the daily time frame has not yet gave us a behavior that we're looking for based on this momentum push that price has printed out. That's only when price gave us an exhaustion in a push and an exhaustion in a continuation push. But as you guys understand, as you guys understand, if I have to zoom in the chart and clearly look at how NASDAQ behavior always moves, right? It's always like push and an exhaustion, push and an exhaustion, push and an exhaustion, push and an exhaustion, push, exhaustion, push, exhaustion, push, exhaustion, push, exhaustion, until price held this range that we currently broke above with strong bullish momentum. So what I'm trying to highlight to you guys is very simple. As you clearly understand that our Q1 inside was dropped when price was still holding this current key level, this current price section, right? And we did live in anticipation that it's simple that we're waiting for a break above to be bullish or fail to break for a reversal. Same thing with our support. We're looking for a break below to be bearish or a fail to break to be bullish. So looking at how price has played out, looking at this high, price gave us a clean double top, and then price shot to the downside, trading below $23K, right? So from trading below $23K, you can clearly see how price has reacted after price broke below that very same zone, right? After price broke below support, look at how strong price pulled back to print out our all-time high, just to indicate to you guys that this breakout didn't have much momentum compared to this break above that price gave us after breaking below our very same zone. So our focus was now clearly stated on what will price do next after it broke above our support after a break below, right? Price did give us what we anticipated, a push above, giving us an all-time high above 27K, right? So our main focus now looking forward in Q2, it will be very simple. From every push phase that price prints out, there needs to be an exhaustion phase or a pullback before we can look for a continuation push. And from every push that gives us a break of a major zone, there has to be a retest of that very same zone, or price has to come back and respect. If we don't retest, at least to respect before anticipating what those continuations to the upside. So NASDAQ has clearly gave us an anticipation and an indication that we are looking for, that a break above resistance gives us a clean indication, a clear indication that obviously price will give us those all-time highs. And as you can clearly see, price is holding above $27K, and all we're now focusing on moving forward in Q2 is to see a pullback or an exhaustion phase or a range that will give us a pull, and that will give us indication that there still is a possibility of a continuation to the upside. As you can clearly remember, we did speak on Q1, we left in anticipation that with price having a bullish trend and price holding a range, there's a high possibility of a continuation push to the upside, because the overall structure is bullish. This is just an exhaustion phase, or this is just a range to gather momentum to anticipate what those continuations to the upside. That's why price gave us a breakout and a break above of our support if you clearly understand. But if you don't understand, there's a link down below that you can click and join the COT Academy, where we're going to change your trading for the good and the better and give you all that you need so you can equip yourself individually without having the need of a mentor in your life, because COT Academy makes sure that we groom, that we build, that we teach, that we mentor, and for the most part of it, we'll stay with you till the end. But the super boy Harlem, I hope I educated you guys, and I hope I added value and made sure that I prepare you guys for Q2 based on NASDAQ. Like I've just shared to you guys, this is just educational based information. This is not financial advice. I don't advise you to put your money to work on NASDAQ futures as of yet, but know what you're doing and know what you are putting your money into. But without further ado, the super boy Harlem King COT, and we're gonna catch you guys on our third Q3 video, which will be dropping on Q3 NASDAQ. But the super boy Harlem, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Bye for now.